Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share a step-by-step tutorial on how to build a formula on monday.com. So first you guys have to log into your account, then go to your workspaces and choose the one you want. So I personally chose programs and projects. Then once you're here, you're going to go to the section where you could add a column. So scroll sideways and click on the plus button. Then here you're going to search for a formula. Then click on it. So once you add the column, when you click on it, it's going to allow you to write a formula here. You guys could either use an AI assistant or use from the formula resources. So once you choose the type of formula you want, you're going to click on set formula. And then your formula will be formulated. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.